Do you actually consider talaga or let's say agree with the statement that teaching talaga is one of the noblest professions in your scenario?
In my perspective, yes. Di ba, mga 5 or 6 years na ko in teaching. And then, nanak ko mga, of course, abot of mga senior high, nga mga students. And then, mubalik gyapon sila sa ako. Yeah, and then I think my way of teaching kasi is not yung kapag inside tayo sa classroom, I'm your teacher. But when I am outside the classroom, I can be your friend. So we can talk about anything. So I think the good thing that I could say that it's so noble na masasabi ko talaga, ay, hindi nang ginawa ko. Kasi bumabalik sila sa akin, sabihin nila, I mean, they tell some stories like, Mom, nadaugod ko, Mom. Mom, nakuan good ko. Ay, perfect! You know, I'm proud of them. And I feel like I did my best on that part. When I see my students reaching their own stars as well,